So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel, click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to set the view by to large icons. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync center. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on manage offline files. And now this will come up. Now you're going to click on disable offline files, which will now disable it. It will be disabled, but it will still be active. If you came to this page and it said enable offline files, then you don't need to do anything. You could just leave it how it is. However, if it said for you to disable offline files, you're going to click on that. And then once you do that, you're going to click on OK. It's going to ask you to restart your computer. You're going to click on no. Don't restart your computer yet. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Credential Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Windows Credentials. And now under Generic Credentials, you're going to find your credentials that are synced to your network drive. So you can just click on the drop down. And then once we're here, you're going to click on Remove. And then click on Yes. You now want to remove your credentials that are synced to your network drive. And then once you do that, you could just restart your computer. After you restart your computer, you're going to come back into here. Now you're going to click on Add a Generic Credential. Now you can just add it again, click on OK, and then this should now fix your problem.